Figure out what the hell happened there. We just left Annie.
It is not safe for her. If we do not stop Riot, he will come back here with millions more of my kind.
Millions? What, you were gonna take the rocket and you were gonna come back here with an invasion force. Then what were you gonna do? You were gonna go and feed on the whole planet?
Yes, but it is different now, Eddie. I have decided to stay.
Wow.
On my planet, I am kind of a loser, like you. But here, we could be more.
Excuse me?
And I'm getting to like it here.
Oh, you like us now, do you, huh?
However, there will be nothing left to like if we do not stop that rocket.
Oh, I see. Right, when it comes to being completely annihilated, then it's back to we.
It is we. Like it or not, it is going to take both of us.
Cut the bullshit. What really made you change your mind?
You did, Eddie.
Scrub diagnostics.
Sir?
Did you hear me? Initiate the launch.
T-minus 5 minutes to launch. Auto sequence has been initiated. T-minus 4 minutes, 30 seconds.
Oh, Jesus! You can take this guy, right?
He has got shit you have never seen.
What does that mean? What are our chances?
Pretty much zero.
Oh, fuck it. Well, let's go save the planet.
T-minus 4 minutes.
Venom, get in the rocket. No, we won't let you destroy this world. Can die.
Holy shit!
Told you. You have a strong host. But not strong enough.
T-minus 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Drake, stop!
Told you I could fight ugly.
late. This is the next stage of...
You talk too much.
T-minus 30 seconds.
You are nothing. Traitor, have a nice life.